Most of the time when I have a project or some type of task that I'm doing, it's something I feel fairly confident about doing, either because I'm just really skilled in that particular area, I have a lot of knowledge or experience, I've done it before. There's really no ambiguity. I know exactly what to do or have a general sense of how to do it. But every now and then I'll come across something and I really just have no idea how to get started. I can't identify a next action because I don't know what to do. I mean, I just feel stuck. Now, when I have these moments, it's really helpful for me to kind of have an extra opportunity to pause and think, okay, well, what do I need to know that I don't currently know? Usually I'm able to kind of identify at least one thing. I need to know X, Y, and Z. Okay, and that's a good start. And then, then I can think about, well, who or what might have this information. Perhaps this is information that I can find in documents that I have. Perhaps there's a colleague that I have that I can talk with. Maybe my supervisor is a person that I need to talk with. Maybe I just need to sit and kind of brainstorm a variety of different things that I can do, or brainstorm a variety of people that might be able to help me to figure out what the next step is. So what I've noticed is, even if I'm not crystal clear on exactly the specific right next action to get myself from point A to where I want to be in the long run in a project, I'm usually pretty good about being able to identify what I need to know, and then being able to identify who might be able to fill that gap for me. If it's watching a YouTube video or reading an article or having a mastermind session with a group of colleagues, or just talking to my supervisor and having a thought partner to go through some things that I'm thinking can be really valuable as well. And I identify that as my next action. Schedule a meeting with that colleague who's a really great thought partner and I could just think out loud with, brainstorm a variety of people that might be able to help me with this, research this particular topic, maybe online somewhere. And sometimes it's not until I've done that particular kind of research part that things start to open up a little bit more, things start to make a little bit more sense to me, and then I'm able to see a little bit more clarity. So I've noticed I don't necessarily have to be super confident about the whole spectrum of the project or the task at hand, but as long as I know the very next step, that's usually enough to lubricate the gears a bit to get me moving in the right direction that I want to be moving in.